Hey guys, this is Corey with Custom RV in Amarillo, Texas, and today I have another new arrival to show you. This is the 2022 Sunset Park SunRay Model 139. This particular compact unit comes in at 1,840 pounds unloaded and is going to be approximately 13.5, 14 foot long, which is super short. It's perfect for a 3,000 pound rated tow vehicle, such as like a Jeep Wrangler or something like that, little Volkswagen, whatever you've got that's got a 3,000 or a 3,500 pound tow capacity. This is perfect for that. But we're going to do an interior and exterior walk around video tour today and talk about all of the cool features on this compact off the grid style camper. Let's go ahead and we'll jump onto the inside and take a look at the inside first, then we'll circle back around to the outside. So alright guys, as we step on the inside of this 139, first thing you're greeted with is a nice little bench here to sit and put on your shoes or put on your pants, things like that. This is going to have a 5,000 BTU air conditioner, as you can see right there. It doesn't need a giant roof air. And I'm sure we haven't had these things long enough to test it yet, but I'm sure these things are going to freeze whoever buys this out. So this is kind of I'm going to call it a Franken camper. Basically, so you've got your queen size bed here. You'll see, if we look up top, you see those gas props and everything there. This will actually flip up against the wall, and then you see that rear door back there. If we take a look underneath here, you'll notice that you have a few tie downs. So if you want to flip this bed up, and if you want to bring a bike or dog crates or really anything, as long as it fits through that door back there, this would be such a good camper for that. Mainly, you don't find this in a lot of smaller campers. You are going to have a power roof vent up there, all LED lights. You're also going to have a switch for the rear porch light, power and USB ports back there as well. And I'm 6'3" and I can still stand up in here, which is pretty nice. Normally you can't do that in these small little campers. You've got your tank monitoring panel, water pump, water heater, and some lighting controls right there as well. I don't like where this is put. I would have liked it by the entry door myself, but that's just me. If you want to add a TV, this is where it would go. Really, or you could put one over there, I guess, but this is where, this is where most people, I think, would put it. And then right here, you're going to have your solar charge controller for the optional 100 watt solar panel kit that we've had installed on this from the factory. If we take a look in here, so you have this nice big door here, and if we open this up, number one, this is also where your toilet is on this trailer, which is pretty neat. But if we look up top here, you'll notice that you have a nice hanging bar with a light in there as well. So if you want to use this as just a closet, you can, and this is great for such a little camper. Normally you don't find a lot of good closet space in these tiny campers, but in the event of an emergency, you do have a toilet in here, which is, it works. Over here you do have a sink. If we open up this countertop here, or this cabinet, you do see the plumbing access as well as a little storage. This is their ash interior color. And then if we open this up, you'll see there's the baby moon hubcap for the spare tire. Good storage there. And this is not going to have a ton of storage on it, but it's better than none. And then if we open up this cabinet, a little bit extra storage in there. There's some plugs down there as well. And then you are going to have a microwave on this particular unit. Go ahead and move that flyer back. Household and USB outlets, good countertop space in here too. And then you're gonna have your AM, FM, and Bluetooth stereo system, and a simple little fire extinguisher right there. So all right guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the interior of this SunRay Model 139. It's a pretty small camper. There's not a whole bunch to cover in here, but let's go ahead now. We'll jump onto the outside, and I'll tell you, this has got some really cool features on the outside. You're definitely going to stick around for this. Okay guys, so we're on the outside of this brand new SunRay Model 139. So as you can see, it is a stick and tin aluminum sided unit. You are going to have a nice power tongue jack here, single 20-pound propane tank. You've got your battery. It'll come with a battery box, spare tire carrier, and you have a nice generator tray right there as well. These do have 4 corner stabilizer jacks. They are manual. You're also going to have your outside shower here. This is the drain for the sink on the inside. There's actually no gray tank on this trailer, which is kind of neat. Right down there, you're going to see your, this will be your 30 amp service. And then you have your holding tank for the toilet. So this does have a black tank and it does have a fresh tank. Good looking painted to match aluminum wheels with the baby moon hubcaps. This is the classic package. So it has, sits a little bit lower to the ground. It's not as aggressive as the sport package. You can see that you do have the side mount air conditioner right there. Right here is going to be your cable and satellite hookup. Again, 4 corner stabilizer jacks. If we come around here and look at the back, you'll notice that you have a backup camera prep location, second porch light. Here's that door for loading the cargo bunk or cargo bed area. You're also going to have your 6-gallon gas and electric water heater. You do have a freshwater tank. And right down there you have a city water connection if you're in a park. As we come around to the door side of the trailer, or really the camp side, I guess, because there's 2 doors, but you have a really neat outside kitchen. So if we come in here a little bit, take a look up top, you've got good storage here. If you feel back in here, all these are pocket screwed cabinetry. You're going to have a GFI protected outlet, light switch, and your refrigerator switch. We'll talk about that here in just a second. Sink, again, this does not have a gray tank, so this will drain just on the ground. 2-burner cooktop. Storage there. You're going to have dual outside speakers. Propane quick connect down there as well. And then lastly, in this outside kitchen, you do have the 4.3 cubic foot 12 volt compressor driven refrigerator. So this is going to pair really well with that 100-watt solar panel. This is a lot bigger as well compared to the standard gas and electric fridge. Plus you can run this going down the road, which is nice. GFI protected outlet out here as well. We've also optioned this with the manual bag awning, and you can see you have an extra porch light there. Screen doors on both those entry doors too, by the way. And you do have a single step to get in here. So all right guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the 2022 SunRay Model 139. If you're interested in this particular travel trailer, you have any questions, or if you would like pricing and availability, feel free to leave a comment down below. You can also give me a call at 806-335-2336, or you can shoot me an email at contact@custom-rv.com. Real quick, before you go, a couple last quick things. Let me know your feedback on this unit. Do you like it? Do you not like it? I'd be really curious to know. Remember, at Custom RV, we don't do any hidden dealer fees. We leave that up to the big chain dealers. And we know that RVs are made for women, so men can go camping. Real quick before you leave, if you could, hit that like button down below. I would greatly appreciate it. That helps us with the YouTube algorithm. It helps promote all these videos to other RV enthusiasts. And please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell down below. We're at 607 subscribers. I'd at least like to get to 750 by this year, but really I'd like to get to 1,000 subscribers. All right guys, again, we thank you very much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed and found this video informative. We hope to see you out on our lot real soon, and have a wonderful rest of your day.